Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2016 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. This vehicle is featured in black metallic paint with alloy rims. We have chrome trim accents, full-line truck bed, four-wheel drive, as well as rear privacy tint, backup camera, and heated seats. Onto the interior now. On our door panel, we have our chrome door handle, window and mirror controls, as well as our speaker and storage. Side of the seat, we have our power adjustable seats and lumbar support. And off to the left of the steering wheel, we have our trailering mode, four-wheel drive controls, and lighting settings. Our gauge cluster with screen, multifunction leather-wrapped steering wheel, infotainment screen with projection for our phone and OnStar navigation, as well as below that we have our climate controls and heated seats. Under that, our charging outlets. Then our center console storage, cup holders, and our padded lid there with our wireless charging port. Front seats are featured in black fabric, and once again they are heated and power adjustable seats. On our rear view mirror we have our OnStar controls, and above that are three garage door openers, reading lights, and sunglass holder. Now back onto the exterior, we can see our GMC alloy rims, 4x4 and 2500 HD badging. See our rear privacy tint, and then around to the back we have a chrome rear bumper with bumper steps, as well as our hitch, GMC Sierra and SLE badging, and our full-line truck bed. Onto the rear interior, we can see our chrome door handle, window switch, wooden trim, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats we have our magazine holders, and back of the center console area we have storage and a charging outlet. Then our rear seats also featured in black fabric. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2016 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.